Good morning, traders, and welcome to the smoothest live stream on the entire internet. My name is Lou Smooth. You can call me Smooth, and today is the day the Lord has made. What's up, everyone? Hopefully you guys are feeling good and ready for a full week of trading. Today is Monday morning, and the markets are kind of quiet. They've been quiet since the open last night. We are getting a little bit of a move back down, possibly to close up that opening gap that we had last night down to 30,150 maybe. I'm thinking we could possibly do that. We have an overnight low there also in that same area. Maybe it's like 144. So we'll keep our eyes on this level right here. Right now we are seeing a little bit of support off this 192 level. We have some resistance here at 204, and we will have some more resistance here around 235 and some more resistance up here around 273. So I'm looking at these levels to the upside right now on this NQ, and I'm looking for level down at 145 as well. It may not go down there in a straight line. It may tease around a lot, maybe go down, get close to it and come back up, then come down. Something crazy. You never know what the market's gonna do. We did get a nice MOAS signal here last night, well this morning actually at 7 a.m. and that played out really nice, played out beautifully. We did have two here. We had one that was pointing to the downside, and then we actually had three, one pointing to the downside and two pointing to the upside. Unfortunately, the one to the downside did not play out, but the two to the upside did play out nicely. And then the market came up, robbed some liquidity, and then came back down to hit that other MOAS signal. So looks like 3 out of 4 there played out. We had another one here that played out really nicely. That's 4. We had another one here. That's 5. This little one here, this one failed. This one here did win. This one here also won, and this one here won 3 in a row right there. 4 in a row. 4 in a row. This one here was a loser. This one here was a winner, winner, winner. Another 3 winners in a row. So the even on low liquidity, guys, the MOAS signals on the indicator are leading the way. They are guiding us into the right direction. So yeah, I'm going to be paying more attention to those today and using some of these liquidity levels also to help us out, picking some direction. Right now, I would like to see a breakout at either above this level at 200 or below this level here at 191 to put in some aggressive moves before taking any trades. I don't really like what we're seeing just yet. I would like to see some kind of commitment from buyers or sellers here in either direction. Hopefully you guys are doing well. How did you guys do this morning or last night? Any trades? I did take one trade last night around the open, and I think I was up about $100 at some point, but I ended up closing it out because it was just going too slow and just took the rest of the night off. Ended up netting about $44 on like one mini. That's how slow the markets are moving. You needed to really put some size on to see anything last night. But let me say good morning to the crew here. We've got Joey in the house. What's up, Joey? How's it going, my brother? We got XX Mingun. What's going on? 206 is your TP for the short. All right, good numbers. Looks like you probably got that. We got Mo in the house. What's up, Mo? We got Haidam. What's up, Haidam? I'm here, brother. Sorry for the late start. I was just trying to get some stuff ready in the background. Joshua, what's up, my brother? What's going on, guys? What's up, Sam B? Sam B's up 3K already. This guy could take the rest of the day off and he'll be just fine. All right, all right. We are just kind of cooking sideways here. There's not really much to go off of just yet. In the meantime, let's take a look at the rest of the market and see what is possibly going on. The mags, I'm sure, have probably little movements over, since this morning. Let's just go ahead and take a look at that. Actually, I got to reset all my charts because the computer did restart. We had a rainstorm this weekend, so my computer did restart. Let's go ahead and look at the mags. We do have the mags kind of making a move stronger last night, overnight, and into this morning, and now it's starting to give some of that back. We still do have a big, strong green wave here, so we'll see how that plays out today. The mags are still showing exceptional strength. Let's take a look at SpaceX and see what that's doing this morning. SpaceX has been a very volatile asset. Real volatile equity. Let me just open that up again. Yeah, now it's starting to give some of that back. It did make a high at 140s. Actually, it went higher than that. It was 143. Yeah, it was into the 140s, and really starting to give some of that back now. NVIDIA obviously is the benchmark here for stocks. Let's go ahead and set that one up here so we're ready for today. Yeah, okay. NVIDIA had a wild candle this morning. Wow, look at that 842 candle. That was just a shake out for bulls and bears and bulls here this morning. Nobody was saved. No one's stop loss was salvaged on that one. We do have Bitcoin here. Man, Bitcoin has been a real chop fest to trade. I was looking for a short here around 64,600 on Bitcoin. We did miss it, and the market just kind of went without us, so we took it off. But it's been just grinding here, and it's not a really good market to be trading right now. So I'm going to wait patiently for some volatility to enter back into Bitcoin. But I've been trying, and not much has been playing out. Let's take a look at oil. Oil is definitely something we need to keep our eyes on. Okay. Oil has been making a move higher overnight. It still has a target up here of 83.50. Right now, we are taking a quick pullback here on a secondary MOAD signal, or actually an initial MOAD signal, down to 82. Look at the YM. See what consumer staples are doing right now. Actually, that one is correct. YM is showing weakness, and it looks like we have some targets down to 53.5 and 53, yeah, both 53.5 areas. So a little weakness there. Gold has been a real crapshoot. It's been up, down, left, right. So I'll open that up real quick. Yeah, gold has made a high of about 44.61 and has been as high as a little bit higher than that, I think. We've been as high as 44.73. But gold, I think, has some unfinished business in this area down here, 44.24s. We do have an overnight low down there as well. Could come and see that. Looks like it is trending that way. We got a couple MOAD signals here. This one did play out. This one here is in process of playing out. But we'll see if it actually goes. All right. Right now we do have a little stability here above the 200 level. Not seeing much right now play out. We have to wait till the open because there is very low volatility right now. We have a 10 on the ATR. We were a little higher earlier. We had a 13 in this little dump we had, but it's starting to move back down. Hold on one second, guys. That wick to shake the algos, yeah, that was a nasty wick, wasn't it? Have you had a blessed weekend? Every weekend that I'm able to make it back here, guys, alive is a blessed weekend. Obviously, we do not know what a true blessing is. Sometimes our bad days end up becoming blessings, and sometimes our good days end up becoming not so much of a blessing. But I am blessed just to be here with you guys. I am blessed to have all the things you cannot put price tags on, such as family, health, and you know, we have a lot of things going for us. Moaz is giving a short on gold. Yeah, it currently is giving a short on gold on the 1 minute. But if you change your time frames, it might give you a couple different options there. What's up, Paul? Good morning to you. I don't know what that word is. Refinitiv reports a senior Iranian official said Iran has decided to shift its policy from defensive to full offensive. Wow, that's not a good thing. They also said Hormuz will be closed until 2029. I think Trump says we're going to end up taking it over and making it a territory of the U.S., and that's kind of wild. That's kind of wild. That's going to require 24 hours around the clock policing. They also said Hormuz will be closed until 2029. Imagine that. Price on oil would definitely go bonkers. Yeah, we're getting a push here. I might be interested in a long. I'll take a quick long here for 10 points. See if I can share that with you guys here. See if we can get a continuation to the upside. That would be nice. Trump says he's not in a hurry. Trump says there will be a back channel with IRGC officials. Looking for a long here up to 227. I should make my own songs like Night. Yes and no. I would love to, because that's one of the things I actually wanted to do with my life is produce music. But I have a lot of work to do in the background, guys. It doesn't. You probably don't. It can't really see it, by being on stream with me. But there's a lot of moving parts in the background. And once I get those ducks in a row, I'll worry on more vanity projects like music for the channel. But right now, I'm trying to get a lot of other things lined up first before we do things like that. So I'm just kind of leaning on this generic jazz music in the background for now until I do get some more time. I would love to produce some music for you guys. That would be amazing. So yeah, definitely a pet project I would like to pick up in the future. But I have to focus on things that move the needle right now. I'm working some pretty cool things for you guys. Things that give you an edge in trading. Things to help you out with picking the right prop firms for your style of trading. More information on that soon. Let me know if your account is still good, okay? Yeah, priorities first, absolutely. Plus, you still got to balance all of that with your family and your things that you have to do around the home. I'm sorry? All right, market's pushing a little bit here. We're in the 220s. Let's see if we can get a 227 hit. That would be nice. We've got resistance up at 237, which is a nice target. I just don't know if we'll get all the way up there. Taking a little heat off there. See if we can have our average win to loss ratio somewhere around 1.25. If you guys understand that, I don't know if you understand what I just said there. Taking a little bit of risk off that way. If we do end up accumulating losses, our profit ratio would be somewhere around, average trade to loss ratio would be somewhere around 1.25. I'm trying to do that to give myself a little edge. Let's see if we can get that move all the way up to 227. If we can push a little more. All the risk is off this trade. A little push would be nice. Now, are we getting a pullback? A little pullback here. I'd like to see the push still, though. Yeah, doesn't look like it. Okay, we're going to get stopped at a break even. Could not seem to get that to go. We got real close. We got real close. All right, we'll take it off. It looks like they want to bring this thing back down. Getting resistance at 225, and I didn't like the way it was pulling back there. We'll try again. Maybe we'll get another bounce off 203. I'd like to see another bounce off 203. I'd be interested in another long there. Yeah, if you want to cook up some songs, Joey, as long as that doesn't cost you anything, yeah, that would be great. Moses, I commend you to make some. I traded a deer for some chickens. Overall, it was a good deal. It only cost me $1. Oh, that's fun. Paul says they will be funnier when you develop your own sense of humor. That is funny though. All right, that was a tough trade there. Unfortunately, we did not get the full 10 points on that. I cut it there at close to my stop loss. Wait for another move down on 203, hopefully. If we do get that, I would be interested in another long. Mr. Smooth will be joining us here shortly, guys. Might actually be interested in a long around 209. Maybe 209 would be a good long. We'll see. What's going on, Prathish? Prathish. All right. It took me a while there. Sorry, I'm a little dyslexic. Prathish, how you doing, brother? The night trades, I hit 7 out of 9, but only averaged about 15 to 25 on the NQ. It was super slow. 15 to 25 what, points? I mean, that's a lot. 15 to 25 points are good moves. You can make a lot of money in 15 to 25 points, especially with your sizing. Yeah, you put on some major weight, man. You do put on good size on your trades, so 15 to 25 points is a lot. How much do you average during the New York session? I was thinking you average about that because you trail your trades anyway, so maybe 15, 25 points. Had to do 2 or 3 contracts. Yeah, but you do that in the New York session too. You do more in the New York session sometimes. I see you do like 6 and 8. Like you go crazy. Market's super slow still, guys, and super slow. The volatility has weaned off. I think all the institutions and the hedge funds are on vacation. They're all in the Hamptons or in Miami, just hanging out. Market's a little slow. Paul says MU, aka Micron, up 2.5%. And other memory stocks are trading higher pre-market after Commerce Secretary Lutnick said the administration opposes Apple buying Chinese memory chips and benefiting U.S. suppliers. Doesn't sound like a very free market to me. Are those free market fundamentals? Or is that just someone's opinion? I guess it's a strong opinion, right? If you oppose what the government likes, it may not end well for you. Strong suggestion from the government. Let's see if we end up getting a little bounce from 208. That's a place that I think I'd like to see a move from. We are still pushing kind of hard here. Market opens up in about 13 minutes. Is there an opportunity here to see anything else before then? I don't see that much strength right now. I see a lot of chop. Good morning, Top News United. How are you? Sam B says he uses margin if he's confident, but if I try my best to stay away from margin just in case. TPT has reduced eval days? Really? From what? 5 to what? 3? Because I'm in an eval right now with them. Just because a broker offers money for you to use doesn't mean we should always use this, SMB. Because if there is no edge, those margin calls can hurt. Ask him how he knows. Who's looking for a short? I'm open for anything. I am waiting for a test above 250s to re-enter and ride down below 30,100s. Okay. Okay. Yeah, market looks like it wants to roll over here. Possibly coming down and test the 208, maybe 192. I think sellers are still trying to hold this thing down. Sellers are pretty strong here at 215. I think they want 208. We've got a MOAS on a 15-minute down to 207, so 208's in the way. Could be collateral damage. How high did this thing get? 225, yeah. Had a 227 TP earlier, so it wouldn't have hit. Smart thing to do was taking profits on that, closing it early. Right. Getting some pretty heavy, strong sell signals here at the 211s. And we just tapped the 208 and we tapped 207 all there at once on that candle. Let's see what kind of reaction they end up giving us here. ATRs are 7.75 right now on these 1 minute Heiken Ashi candles. So not very strong, not very big, these moves. But I think we're about to start getting some momentum back into these markets. See if things pick up here. We're continuing to get these MOAS signals here down to 200. Yeah. Does not look like they want to hold the 208s. We got about 9 minutes before the open. Could be pretty dicey here. I'm not sure if this is the right time to look for trades. Sellers are getting the upper hand here for the moment. I'm gonna try the long, up to 220, 222. Could be the wrong move here, but I see some strength building up. We'll see if it carries any weight. Looking for a 10-point move here back to the upside off the 208 level. If we end up getting a break above 216, I will take some off, some risk off. Here we go. Move down lower. Yeah, looks like they might be shooting for 192 instead. Not looking good right now. Yeah, they want the 192. Looks like they want 190. Ooh. Okay, buyer stepped in here. There's potential for a bounce. Maybe I was a little too early to that move. If we come back above 212, I am going to take some off. I think we might just sell off here until the open. Oh, nice. Let's trail this sucker. All right, no risk on. See if we can get a power move up to the 220s. Wow, what a candle. What a candle. Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me right now. Man. I'll wait till the open. I'll wait till the open. She can't even give us 10 points. Yeah, I think we'll probably end up getting like a 20 ATR on the open. So we'll try. Yeah, it sucks. Yeah, I think I'm going to chill on going to break even here on these new moves for a while because we would have had our TP right there. Look at that move. Beautiful move there from 208. What a move, man. Right back up. Right back up. Trap short indication there on the 1 minute. And she is moving right up to our 237 level. Look at her push. Look at that push, man. They're manipulating now. Distributing is coming. We just got to wait for where. Okay. Yeah, I think she's going to go to 237 now. Look at that 237 level coming up right now. They're going from liquidity pocket to liquidity pocket. We got a trap short in here. Came in out of nowhere at a 208 level that we were talking about earlier. Bang. Look at that thing go. Now I'm going to be looking at this area here for support. If we end up tapping into it again. Man, what a move. Could not get the follow through on that, unfortunately. Got it, Joey. Market opens up in 3 minutes, or less than 3 minutes. Oh, Joey threw a song on for us. Let's have a listen. Where'd you post it, Joey? What is that? And he messaged me? Let's see. There it goes. Move right back down to 208. Look at that. Moas never lied to me. Okay. All right. Let's turn the volume up a little bit. All right. Let me know how that is, Joey, if you guys can hear it. Feeling 90. There we go. I love it, bro. Market opens up in 30 seconds. Don't get distracted by the good tunes here. I think we're going to get a dump here on the open, guys. Just call me crazy. Market's open. I'm going to try to short. Oh no, insta stop. Insta stop. Market wants higher first. That was a risky gamble trade there. All right, we're rocking to the upside here. Rocking to the upside. She's just pushing hard. Look at that. We got more levels up there, 273. Let's see if that's what she shoots for. Damn, Joey, that's good, man. Thank you, Joey. Might end up going long here. Yeah, I'm going to try the longs. 273, 280, maybe. I like the long push here. Oh, yikes. Selling off. Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm not feeling 90. Oh, that's terrible. All right, we'll be a little more patient here with this. She is dumping. All right, we'll stop playing around. Get serious here. we'll see what happens here, guys. We have a couple lines that we're looking at, a couple levels. 208 is no longer any good for me. 192 is a good level. Wow, what a dumper. Now she's pushing. I have no idea what music this is. This is Joey's song too? Yeah, this is definitely Joey's song. Alright, we're dumping hard. Yeah, we took out some major levels there. Okay. See if we get a bounce here. See if we get a move up to 240s. Okay. We're back in the game. Mortimer. Back in the game, Mortimer. Joey, this song is awesome, bro. This is one of your best right here. I like it, Joey. I like it, Joey. This is Joey's best work yet. You gotta put me up on what they're saying here, Joey, though, because I don't understand whatever language this is. It's pretty good though, Joey. It's got a good ring to it. This is like Demon Slayer, K-pop, whatever this is. Demon Hunter, K-pop. It's good stuff. My daughters are like this. I like it, Joey. I like it. Yeah, Joey. I like it, Joey. All right, we broke down under 209 and 192. 192 got taken out twice there. A lot of choppiness here. Might get this move higher. She's ripping. Okay, breaking through resistance. Looks like she's going for 243. Pretty strong. Going for that VWAP one more time. What do you got next, Joey? What song's next on your playlist? All right, this is Joey's next song. Turn this off before the Chinese agos come and get me. They're funny. I like Joey's song though. I like Joey's song. Let's play it again. Right near the beach, man. It's a good one, Joey. I like it. Yes, sir. Out of mercy. Here we go, Joey. Yeah, I could listen to the song all day. I might get a bounce here off the 198 level. Market's real choppy here. This on the open. Okay, we're getting a couple moves. Okay, it looks like they're heading for that overnight low. I have a 26 right now. Oof. Markets are moving. Markets are moving right now, guys. Everything is not idy right now. Look at that. We have a move, maybe 140s, maybe. Maybe we're looking for 140s. Real strong moves here under the 200. I'd like to see a pop back up to 200, get rejection, then go short. One second, guys.
Isang pangarap na dala sa puso mula sa Pilipinas, naglakbay ng malayo. Maraming tanong, maraming pagsubok, pero ang pangarap ay hindi.
I think shorts are probably the better move. This is a good song, Joey. Good song right here. Shout out to Joey. Thank you for the music, brother. I really appreciate that. Let me turn some of this music down here. Okay. Love the music, brother. Thank you so much. We got almost a 30 cooking here on the ATRs, man. She is cooking real good here. All right, see what happens here, guys. Let's see what happens here on the 220s, 230s, 240s. I think it could be a rejection around the 230s. All right, we got that push up to the 230s. Let's see if they can grab that that VWAP once again. This is a pretty tough area here. Maybe they won't. Try the short here. See if we can get a move down to 178. Maybe. Nice move. See, we continue pushing. 185 is getting that bounce. Damn. No follow through. Damn it. Knew 185 was going to get something there. Damn, I should have took it there. And this market is just all over the place. I'll try it again. Guess I'm gonna try it down to 173. See if we get the follow through this time. Oh, come on. Not asking for much here, NQ. You gotta be kidding me. How many times today are we gonna go through the same thing? It's gotta be like the 6th time I get missed by a tick. Come on, bro. So close, but yet so far. Double bottom tick. Huh. Double bottom tick at 173. Look at that. You guys can't do that if you tried. You guys could not do that if you tried. And now the stop loss. And now the stop loss. Yeah, first stop loss incoming. Stop loss incoming. All right, I'm not doing this for free. I'm definitely not doing this for free. There we go. We got $2 on that. Oh, that was annoying. Triple bottom tick. Triple bottom tick. You guys can't do that. You guys ain't got the skills like me. Try it again. I'm not going to give it that much room though. Oh, easy stop out here. Of course, it's not going to work for me on the upside. It's only going to work on the downside. Stopped out there. Stopped out, of course. Of course. So we might be reaching for 273 now. Yeah, she's looking strong. I'll go with the longs, man. I'll go with the longs here. Looks like they might be reaching for 273. Break through that VWAP. MOAS is starting to show up now on the 15-second to the upside. See if we can get some follow through. Break through this VWAP. We could see a bounce. Okay. Nice move there. Come on, do it again for a 7th time. Don't do it for a 7th time. Better not. If you know what's good for you. Yeah, look at the level at 273 right now, guys. 273 could be the next logical level up here. 223 looks like a good level for it to pop from. Yes, dragging us down with it. The two liquidity pools waiting to be grabbed are 275 and 290. We may grab those soon. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Thinking we might be continuing to shoot higher. We might get a bounce. We didn't really hit 223 yet. I think we might chop 223 a little bit more. Or we could just go directly there. I think it is trying to cut through this VWAP. Not a big fan of VWAP plays. This could go straight up here to 273. So watch for that. Could be getting a reversal here. $200 could be watch 188. Yeah, she's pushing. Maybe she gets a bounce from 200. Try a short down to 206. I do hate VWAP plays though, I really do. Should probably just end up waiting on this. Okay. I don't really like VWAP plays, so this one I'm purposely gonna move to break even on it. Let's see if we get this. I'm gonna take it. Break even on that. Don't like VWAP plays. Thanks, Ambi. Still weak watching ES at 7793. My cat stole my chair. Damn cats. That's why I hate cats, Joey. That's why cats and myself and cats will never get along. Might still be interested in shorts if we break under 220 here and start to show some more weakness. I'd be interested in longs above 235, and that's above the VWAP. And shorts under 220. Strong move. You want shorts only below 200, Abel? Okay. Your cat's not nice? Your cat, man, he's a thief. He's a cat burglar. We got a little range here between 220 236. Waiting for us to show some resilience either way. All right, we're approaching 200 pretty quickly here, and that's the level I was telling you guys about. We could get a bounce off like 190 something, maybe even 188 here. We had a MOAS to the downside here, just showed up. $227 looks like a nice place for a short, and see if we can stay under it. Oh, she's ripping. She's trying to get above it. Let's see what happens here. Who wins? We get above that VWAP. It could be Bull City. Wow, what a reversal on that move. Yeah. That thing moved too quickly without me. It went too quickly without me. That thing turned around right away. I was hoping for a little bit of a slower move, but no. Maybe we get another chance. No chance there. Could end up getting a pop around here. Let's see if we get a pop around the 180s. Or if we go straight down. I missed that short, damn it. 227 was a perfect place to get short, but it was so fast. That MOAS came right in time. I get another move up to 223. Could be. Looks like we're moving right back up to 223. 220s possibly. Could get another rejection there. $15 red, 1 minute still green, 8 minutes green, 15 minutes green. So we still have a bull trend. She's looking real shady though. We are moving lower. A little too slow on these moves to execute. Don't have enough room there. Might be heading higher, guys. Could hit 180 and then head higher. Just 30-second showing us a bear trend. Smooth trade hit a TP. Yeah, looks like with the MOAS here is going to get the TP hit at 180. She could end up continuing to push. Right now we do have some resistance in this area. And support is running out here. We might head down to 140. Yeah, I should have had a limit order on earlier. 180 got hit. Right now the shorts are in control. We did have some buying pressure here earlier. Let's see if it holds. It doesn't seem like it wants to. We still got the target at the overnight low down in the 140s. And we are looking like we're hesitating here just a bit, but breaking through that resistance, or that support, I should say. We got the daily low around 170. Let's see if that'll hold. See if that'll hold 170s. Not looking like much support there. All right, we hit the daily open. Overnight low is just a few points away. Not that far. We got some pretty big targets now. Like I said, market might want to continue pushing. All right, we got resistance on these two levels now that we don't have support anymore. We got resistance here at these two levels. Next level of support is down here at the overnight low. After that, we've probably got a long way to go until we get down there somewhere. I'd be interested in a short from maybe the 200s. Interested in a short around 203. Or maybe 217. Okay, right now she's bouncing. We got a little bit of support building up here. We do have some support right now. It's just built at 173. And we've got resistance up at the 200s and 217s. All right, let's see what happens here at the 200s. Could get rejected here at the 200s initially. Nice push, nice push. Breaking right through that level. Wow, strong push. And see what happens here at 217. This is our second level here that we're taking a look at. Right now we have major pumpage here around 186. Let's see if it manages to break through 216. If not, this could be a good level to short. I'll try the short here. Got a short down to 184. Not ready for the shorts yet. Small risk, but I am looking for a move to the lower. That looks like we'll get stopped here. All right, we'll wait for the next move. I like this move for a short, but it still could play out. But that wasn't it. If we get above it, we manage to get above it, then we're ripping back up to 273. We'll see right now. Still a lot to see. All right, we're getting some strong signals here, pushing up against this level of 220. She could end up shooting up past this level, which would make it a bullish move if it does break above it. We got VWAP right there above us too, so that is not something great you may want to log into. Stay patient here for now. We need a decisive move here back under 220 to go and grab that overnight low. If we don't see it, then it's just not gonna work. Still like the shorts. I still like the shorts, but right now they're not done manipulating the upside yet, and they could even push higher before deciding to take it lower. But I'll try it right here. I'll take a little risk off this. I don't want the entire thing. Looks like they still might be trying to manipulate. Maybe bringing this thing closer to VWAP. Our TP is 190 on this. It could be lower, but the ATR right now is about 22, so I'll take a 20-point hit if I can get it. That would put us back into the green. We're getting close to that 190 level. Take a little risk off. I'm going to break even on that. Come on, don't do that again, NQ. Push NQ. Give us 190, girl. Give us 190. Give us 190. Be nice. Be nice, NQ. Be nice. Don't be a nasty girl. Let's push down to 190. All right, we got it. Be up a lot more if we didn't gamble the first two trades of the day, but it is what it is. Let's see if we get a bounce here from the 186s. If not, we continue going lower. If we break under 186 here and find some nasty little price action, then we're definitely going to 140. Draw stop hit. Good job. Good job, guys. Good job. Guys, hit the likes if you want to mind. We will do a giveaway today for 100 likes. Plus, we got to give away. We got to do Friday's giveaway too, because I didn't have time on Friday to do it. I had to jump on a call, but we got to do Friday's giveaway for any channel members and current subscribers of the Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator. So if you guys are channel members or if you are subscribed to the Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator, we'll give away an eval today for those lucky people. Hold on 1 second, guys. Okay, 180 seems to be resistance at the moment. Or support. We're continuing to move under. It's not holding. 186 is not holding. Out of selling here. 141 in its crosshairs. By the way, guys, another successful MOAS hit here. I don't know if you guys noticed that. You have to lose 300 bucks, Paul? Yeah. The buy sell thing could work. But if your prop firm has micro scalping policy, you might end up getting yourself in hot water. So make sure you don't have any micro scalping issues. If not, just follow my trades and you'll lose money. You can do that too. What's up, Patty? All right, we could get a move right back up here. We are seeing a little bit of strength come back in. I'd like to see some strong moves above 180. Bless you, man. It's 10:20. A little too early for chop, but you just never know with this market. All right, we are getting some bearish indications here. I'm gonna try a short here down to 144. Could be too early, but we'll try it anyway. That was a quick move down, but she's not ready yet to go the whole way. We got a overnight target at 145. My TP is 144, but looks like we're going to come up and hit my stop first. Yeah, I don't get that lucky where my stops get missed by a tick. That's usually not the case. My stops usually get hit. My TPs, on the other hand, though, those always get bottom ticked and top ticked. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna get ooh, you okay? Yeah, I don't like that. Yeah, that always happens to me. Looking for this rejection off the 180 level. Top ticked. I'm going to try to see if I get this move down to 150. Looking for 20 points exactly. Down to 150. Once we go into the green, I will start shaving off a little bit of risk, but we could chop sideways here before going down. Yeah, looks like they want to play games down here. Yeah, they're definitely playing games down here, guys, and I'm not liking it right now. They know that everyone's got their eye down at that 140 level. So they are playing dirty games right now. We need to break back under 170 for a continuation down to about 140. Well, I need 150. But she's going to chop here sideways until she's gotten everyone's liquidity probably. and then they'll dump it out of nowhere. They could, you can make a run back up to 220. We'll see. Anything's possible here. Share my current play on Discord main page. Thanks, Samby. See if we can break down back under 170. That should be a good indication. We're in green there for a half second. It's accumulating right now? Yeah, that's what it seems like. That's what it definitely seems like. Recipe for Chop Fest. Yeah, it's going to keep doing this to me until I give up. So I'm going to wait. Okay, now she is showing some strength, which I'm sure is BS. We still got 220 that she could go up to. She could make a run all the way back up to 220. This is the manipulation. There was a lot of strong signals here too. She could end up pushing a little bit higher, maybe to 210, 212, even 219. See if you got a rejection here at the 210s to 220s. If not, this thing's gonna fly. Got some strong buying here above 180. Getting rejection around the 200s, and next level to the downside could be the 180, and then if it breaks the 180, we're going to go see 140. Got a lot of resistance at 220 also. She could overshoot. "15-second now has turned green. 1 minute's red now. So is the 8-minute. A lot of wishy-washy moves here, though. Try the short from up here. I got a 174 TP on it. That could work. Might be a little too early to the party, but we'll see. 220 still, 218, 219. Still a level, but we're seeing some resistance here too. Always a good day to trade, says Yasin. What's up, Yasin? Could get a bounce at 180. I'm worried about 180. Could see 177. I think 177 might be a better target. Coming back up. Not ready for shorts yet. Border Patrol expanding up to 190. Just a friendly heads up. Yeah, see we had a little bounce there on the 180s. Looking for a 177 hit, 177 3/4. See if we can get a push down to that. ATRs are starting to come down here. We're at 16. I don't like that. I mean, she's getting choppy. This is very choppy here. Might end up closing this. I don't like the way it looks. See if we can get this move down to 177. And buyers are not letting it go. Buyers are not letting this move go. It's like my entry's starting to become support. Don't like when that happens. I'm gonna close it early because not liking it. Might close it early here. Yeah, we need to break down decisively under 190. Don't like when my entry becomes support on a trade like this. The sideways chop action is starting to get real annoying. Really not liking this PA here. Looks like they're breaking out. Missed me by a tick. But like I said, short stop losses usually don't get missed by a tick. TPs do, not stop losses. 218 looks like a target they may want to head up to. 218, 219. I'm closing it, man. It's too much buy pressure here. Yeah, I would have been stopped out there. Saved myself a couple bucks. We had a 15 on the ATR, so we're gonna tune this up now to 15 points. We finally hit 219, that level that they're waiting for, and this could be where she actually does give us the move that we were looking for. Try it here. Knock it off, NQ. Just knock it off, NQ. Buyers might really be trying to take the helm here. I find it hard to believe that we're going to leave that overnight low there intact. We've been doing that the last couple of sessions, that we have been leaving overnight highs and lows. But come on, you going to do that every day now? TP is 189 on this move to the downside. I'm short right now to 189. Uh-oh, we just got a MOAS to the upside right now. Oh, no. Oh, no. Yikes. Come on, baby. Let's get that dump down, baby, to 189. Let's get that move to 189. Could be nice. Take a little bit more risk off here. 189. Love to see it. Buyers are stacking in here, man. They're not giving up. Buyers are just not giving up. This is no longer bearish. This is just buyers will not stop now. Yeah, buyers just simply will not stop here. All right, I guess they're going up to the VWAP again in 273. That looks like the next move. Yeah, looks like they're going higher. All right, I'll stop trying to short this. This is just not working. It's just not working. I definitely don't want to go long into the VWAP. This looks like resistance here. It smells like resistance. Okay. We'll see what happens at 220. Let's keep getting bullish MOAS signals. Strong signal right there at 205. You got a long signal? You got a long signal? You have a long signal on the 15 second? Huh? She is breaking out pretty nicely here. 205 could be a level to long it from, but now that she looks so strong, maybe now is when she gives us that move back. Yeah, I want to go long right now, so looking for 205 to go long from. No pullbacks. Short squeezing. Doesn't seem to be getting a pullback at all. Just short squeezing now. Yeah, this is just ridiculous. Okay. All right, I get it. We get it. We get it here. I guess we're leaving that alone for now, that overnight low intact. So we can get it moved at maybe 265. We have a 273 level up there. I guess that's where it wants to go first. Yeah, now it's going to pull back. That is too funny. Let's see if we get 205. You done? Okay. That's the move I was looking for earlier. But I guess I was too early to it. I don't take big trades anymore. No, I'm not taking big trades on evals. I'm trying to pass these evals fast. I got one funded account, and with those, I'm going to start taking bigger trades. But with these, I'm just trying to pass them fast. I don't want to make a career out of being an evals. So I'm trying to pass a bunch of evals first, and then have my funded, so I could just trade the fundeds, just like you said, Joey, maybe with smaller size. All right, we're going to chop in here for a little bit. This 205 to 220 level, I'm thinking. ATR right now is 14.5. Is that 205, 220? And we got that stupid VWAP hit. Looks like she wanted VWAP again. If we can get a breakout above 220, above the VWAP, then it has a good chance of getting up to 250. 1 minute has turned green. So is the 15-second. Right now she's trying to break back into the trend here. Sorry, guys. Yeah, right there. You need 450 to pass. 450 bucks, Patty? Nice. You got this, Patty. Looks like right now the 1 minute, the MOAS and the 1 minute is pointing up to 254. So longs into that could be a good idea. Should have went long at 205. 230. Yeah, it looks like they're gonna make a run right now to 254 for that MOAS target. Okay. All right, we missed that long, but it looks good. Looks good. Long looks good. The 254. Weird day. Mm-hmm. Yeah. A little bit. Yeah, I could have had a loan there. Just thought about that now. All right, we're pushing right up to those 250s. Look at that move right there to the MOAS. Very clean. Tough morning here for me, but kind of try to get it to work. Little rejection from 240s. Looks like she still wants that 250, 254. And 273 is up there too. That level up there is really good. Could start short squeezing now too. Yeah, there it goes. Almost at 250. NQ wants new highs and ES wants new lows. Really? Is that what they're doing? Rumor has it that Smooth and Ryan met in prison and developed their trading while working the yard at Lompoc. Yeah, that's exactly what happened. That is exactly what happened. It's very creative, though. What's going on, Pecos? Yeah, we are pushing nicely. Getting a little pullback right before the target there, which is expected. Pull back at 250 or just shy of 250, 248.50. We got strong support here at 212, 213. We got that resistance at 273. That's where she could end up going. Looks like they still want to go higher. I'm going long here. Up to the 260s. Looks like they still want to go higher. Watch it start dumping on my head now. All right, got the MOAS target hit. I'm looking for a little more up to 261. 273 is the 273 is that target that we have that major liquidity stacked at. See if we can get that push past the 250s. Maybe short squeeze time. What just happened there? I don't know what just happened there, but something happened there. We need those 260s. Let's go NQ for those 260s, baby. Come on. NQ's pushing kind of hard here. All right, good push, NQ. Let's go. Got it. We're back in the game. Back in the game. Got that 15-minute orb high at 265. We're at 273 major liquidity. And we're moving right along here. Moving right along. What are we trying to do? What are we trying to do? All right, we took out this liquidity. Get that out of here. All right, we hit a little bit of major level there right now at 279. We got the liquidity we were looking for at 273. Does she get a pullback now is the question. Does she start short squeezing? Or does she get a pullback? Try a quick move down to 250. No shorts in sight. What's going on with Trade of 8? Come on, Trade of 8, knock it off. Yeah, looks like we got stopped out. Damn it. Yeah, no shorts in sight. They just keep wanting to rip higher. Looked like we might have had a little bit of rejection there at a moment, but for a moment, but nothing. Nothing. This is crazy. Yeah, they are just going higher now. Okay. No pullbacks at all, not even small ones. Yeah, we're just going to have to go with the trend. The trend's working out better. It's that the market just wants to trend higher. Now they're looking for the overnight high at 340. They skipped the overnight low. Now they look like they're targeting overnight highs. They might even be shooting for 440. Yeah, this would have been a good this would have been a good place to short it from. I was short, but damn, she just came up to tick me out. Yeah. What a sham. Okay. That would have been a nice short. That's what I was going for earlier. Just a little too early. You top ticked? Nice, man. Good for you. Good job, Joey. Yeah, I would have liked to have been in this short, but it's just not was not meant for me. I was in earlier and I got stopped, and now it's in. Now it's already going. This could be another spot where price may want to bounce from 240. So I'm looking at either 240 or 212 for a bounce. I'd still be looking for a little bit more downside here before the bounce, but who knows? Maybe it ends up becoming short squeeze time. Okay, we're ripping right above that 270, 273 level. I would still like to see it move down to 240 for a bounce, but right now she's finding support on top of 273. Or she's trying to find support above 273. Try the short here, guys, down to 250. I'm not looking for another pop to the upside here, so if we're wrong, I want to be I want to know about it soon. I think she could probably bounce between 240 to 270 here for a while before making a significant move, but who knows? This could be just up only here, short squeeze. Good chance we can come to 250. Come on and Q, dump it, baby, down to 250. It's looking all right. Come on, give us some follow through in Q. Give us some follow through in Q. Yeah, it stinks. So we're gonna get that move right back up. Yeah. That stinks. Oh man, she's killing me right now. She is sure killing me. She is killing me. Nvidia's flying high? Maybe that's probably why. That's probably why. Yeah, we still got that liquidity sitting at 240. And she's not She's not obliging. She didn't care about it. We got one more shot at this before we lose this account. We got about $240 in drawdown. So this has to work or it doesn't. Our next trade has to work. I'll go with 10 points on this one because, yeah, ATR is 13 right now. Yeah, they could hold here. The drawdown I have $240 left to draw down, which is pretty sad because I was up on this account. Today really kind of did me dirty here. A lot of bias again. I was thinking that we were going to get that move back down to the overnight low, and it just went against me. So we'll try to make it back. See, it's not an impossibility. It is not impossible. Just don't like my odds. Yeah, right now we're fighting 273 resistance. Yeah, 15 seconds strong. Showing a lot of strength here against the 273 level. Anything's possible, Joey? Yeah, for sure. Iran says an argument with Oman and shipping through the Strait of Hormuz is nearly finalized. Okay. Really? It's 1 minute they have good news, 1 minute they have bad news on that stuff. Yeah, we got a lot of bullish buying pressure here on the 15 second. Also the 1 minute. All clustering around this 250s, 260s. Could mean the buyers are about to get trapped there. Not liking this chop one bit. It's not, it just turned 11 o'clock too. We're having some nasty chop here, but to be honest with you guys, I would love to see us pull back into the 240 range, maybe even the 212 range for a further move up, or maybe we just continue higher. I like to see the breakout through 270s first. A deal with Oman. The deal is with Oman, not the U.S. Trump says we control the strait, and it's not true. They're holding price on top of the 15-minute orb. 15-minute orb high. Stuck in this range. We had this white line here from earlier. It's going to be as resistance, and it sure is turning into resistance. I'd like to see it broken first before long. Might push up to 300, then dump. What's our vortex? Tight consolidation? Yeah, very tight, very tight. The 60-day deadline for U.S.-Iran agreement has officially passed without a final deal per Reuters. Yeah, it's supposed to expire today, right? I did hear about that last night. It's supposed to expire today. Yeah, I'm not liking this. So tight. This chop is so tight. I need to see some kind of action here. Guys, hit the likes. If we get up to 100, we'll do a giveaway. We got to do a giveaway today for our channel members and anyone who is using the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator. We'll work on that in just a little while. We're up to 40 likes. Let's continue hitting those likes. Maybe we get up to the 100 today. Let's see who we got in the chat. Oh, wow. We did get that pullback. Look at that. There's that pullback I was looking for earlier. They might be showing a true hand here now. Overnight high liquidity sitting at 342. This is looking pretty strong. Looks like it's going to pull right back up. Wow. That's crazy. Yeah, this is crazy. Yeah, that was a strong move right back up. Right back into that consolidation zone. $273 is a wall right now. If they can break above it and start closing some bullish candles over 273, that would be a good entry. Yeah, very good entry. Maybe up to 300. ATRs are real low right now. We got 11 right now in the ATR. It's very, very small. This level is just crazy. What's up, first stop? BP says straight rejection. That's why I wait for confirmation. London close coming up, so likely to move. Just don't know which direction. Yeah, for real. That is the whole thing here. Don't get tricked by the push up. It's going to push down to 240 eventually. Yeah, it's going to have to. The average Manhattan apartment is now renting for $6,655 per month. Says Bloomberg. Is that so? Man, that is crazy. Oh, you gave the like. Nice, Henry. I appreciate that. We have some bearish SMT right now, says BP. Maybe a good candle close above 225 and a retest. That might push lower. Okay. Man, right back into the chop. Right back into the chop. Now I'd like to see a close below 264. This is so tight. A close below 264 here with bearish signals could give us a move to 240. More likely though, she's gonna hold. Very likely that she can hold and then move higher. I'm gonna go with the long here, up to 282. Just see what happens. This is gonna be it though for this account. If it makes it, great. If it doesn't, it's a goner. You've been passing many evals. How many funded do you have so far? I passed one last week. I've got a funded right now with Trade Day. And I'm working on 2 or 3 evals right now. I have about 5 with Buellnox that I haven't activated because they don't have Trade Evade. And I had a whole bunch a couple months ago, but I did not do well with them. I had a really bad day, and then I kind of turned my attention to automated trading. And look at this. They just don't want me to. They don't want me to have a good day today. They just don't want me to have a good day. This is just not easy for me today here. Well, we're going to be the one less eval here. We're going to have $40 left to draw down. And I don't think that's going to be too much for us. We got $30 worth of $30 worth of drawdown. 30 bucks. So let's just go short. We'll go long at 240. Buy. Stop. 1 micro. And then we'll go long at 240. That's crazy. That is crazy, man. They got me today. They got me good. It's just not my day today. Not on this account, at least. Yeah, you know what it was? I just was not being patient enough. I was being patient for the wrong things. I just was not being patient enough. On the next eval I'm going to trade here, I'm going to be more patient. Just not patient enough. A lot of unlucky bottom ticks too. There was definitely a lot of that. We'll do better on the next one. Yeah, I started the morning off wrong too. Gambled a couple of first 2 trades. Kind of a gamble. I saw something I liked, but it was just markets too wild on the open. Hardly ever will she go in your direction without doing some manipulation first. Looks like they may want even 220 right now in this move. Yeah, we'll move on to another account. Okay, let's see what happens at 240. 240 can have a good bounce. Maybe it won't. No, we got a TP on the other one. Lucky us. Account's still alive. It's alive. Let's see if we can maintain the 240 level. I'm gonna try the long here from 240. Let's see if we get a bounce. Maybe now we just go straight down, right? After going straight up all morning, now we just go straight down. That's usually how it works out for me. Ten point bouncer, baby. 10-point bouncer. There. Let's see, we get top ticked on this. Close enough, right? Crazy. I'm gonna rename my name. I'm gonna rename my channel Top Tick, Bottom Tick. Top tick, bottom tick. Not sure where it's going. I don't know if anybody is. I just know this level here was probably going to be decent. 240 was going to have a little bit of wings, but is it going to go for me or is it going to just chop around? Getting rejected off 250. It sucks. Yeah, here comes the pain. Look at that. Look at that. Crazy. That was just insane right there, what they just did. Again, I mean, it's just missing me by a tick all day. All day it's been doing that. Real close to my TP and just turn around. All right, she's selling off pretty hard now. Now it looks like we probably are looking for shorts, right? What are we doing here? It's just crazy. Right back to VWAP. Yeah, it feels like it's been a whole day. Yeah. It's just crazy. I cannot get a bounce today. I cannot get a bounce. I cannot get a move in my direction. Just everything I'm trading is just going against me. Yeah, 212 might be the next place for a bounce. Give me a second, guys, please. Guys, give me a second, please. All right, sorry about that, guys. Had exterminators here. Missed that bounce from 212, unfortunately. I was not here for it. Should have just left the limit order on. That would have been nice. Luna gets all crazy when she hears people, man. She gets nuts. Shut up, Luna. Okay, support has now become resistance. Let's see if 212 will hold. Got another level down there at 181. That could be the next level we could go to. We are rejecting from VWAP right now. Major area of volume 194. Thanks, Henry. Let's see what happens here at 212 if it breaks out. We did get kind of a heavy sell right here. Let's see if this end up getting above 227. I'm gonna try the long here. See if it'll go to 236. I like to look at the double bottom on the 15-second. We need to break through the VWAP first, though. A VWAP is sometimes could be tough. So you could fly up to 246. We need to break through VWAP. Come on, NQ. We need 236, baby. Let's go. We need you to push. We need you to push a little more. Without that hesitation. I'm going to see if we can get 245 out of it. I might take some manual TPs out of her. Come on, NQ, push it, baby. Getting stuck at VWAP. This kind of price action here is tough, man. This is very tough. Yeah, we cannot, for the life of this, catch the right move here today. We cannot catch the right move today, man. We are just not seeing the market well. I like to see I wanted to see a pop here from 212 up to 246 possibly, but just not getting no cooperation here with the market. It's not just cooperating. It's just not cooperating. It's very choppy. If we get these buyers here to cooperate and break through VWAP, we should be able to hit 246 pretty easily. Maybe even move back to the high of 269. We'll see. You want to go 3 for 3? Nice, Joey. Good for you, brother. Yeah. Seems like you got all the luck today, man. It's that cat you got. We got to get a lucky cat like Joey. Joey, would you lend out your lucky cat? Come on, baby. Seemed like we had some buying here earlier. So I'm holding for this, hoping this level can hold. Doesn't seem like it's gonna, man. It just loves to take liquidity and just do me dirty all day. Breakthrough in Q, breakthrough, baby. Breakthrough, come on, baby, let's go. Ah, man, she's like, nah, I'm good, I'm good. She's like, I'm good. Yo, there's no follow through here on my trading today. Yikes. What are we doing? What are we doing now? Not looking good for us. Not looking good here. Unless we can break back above VWAP, it's not going to look good. It'll be a full stop here if we get to 216. Yeah, looks like we are going to get a full stop. Why don't I just inverse my trades? That would do so much better for me. I'm just going to inverse my trades. You wouldn't trade your cat for $1 million hairs? Oh, lucky for you, I don't have $1 million hairs. NQ has had a small range the last 2 weeks, 300 points, lots of chop happening inside of that. Yeah. That's very true. And now she's going to break out, it says. She's like, I'm going to break out. Now that I took your stop loss, buddy. Now that I took your stop loss, I'm out of here. Yeah, let's see if we can get it this time. She's like, now I'm going to take your stop loss. Yeah, now. Break that damn VWAP already, NQ. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, man. You're playing with my emotions way too much. Way too mucho. That's what the liquidity is at 244. Will you go there or be square? Ah, that'll teach you, NQ. Now broke my move to break even. That'll teach you. Now all she has to do is top tick me and go back down to break even. That's all she has to do now. Just top tick me and go down to break even, baby. That's the move of the day. Top tick me, baby. Come on, top tick me. Top tick me, baby. Come on, top tick me. Top tick me. Top tick me. Oh, this Chinese dog is back. That's why I've been top ticked all day. The stupid Chinese dog is back. Joe, I need your cat to wear off this Chinese cat, Chinese dog. Come on, man. Come on, man. Don't do me dirty like this. Super Chinese dog. All right, That'll teach that Chinese dog. I'll go long on this and just leave it long all day. All right, now we got close to that rejection level. We got close to this 246. She could still head back down. Or maybe we don't. Maybe we keep going. We got a new level here of support. So we got a target of 270 on a 15-second MOAS. He looks like your cat, really, does he? That's funny. Guys, hit the likes at 100. We do a giveaway, and we also have a giveaway today for any channel members and subscribers to the Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator. She's going. She's at 250. Quick short down to 225 vortex. Yeah, whenever I say quick anything, it ends up going against me. Yeah, I would like to long the 225 level. We got 240, 250, that little area right there. That's becoming resistance. That's why we held that one a little bit longer to hit that target. Yeah, she could resist here. Price action has been nothing but very choppy this afternoon. Well, this late morning. You're off to give a lesson over manipulation. Take care, everyone. Take care, BP. Appreciate having you here. Right now, I don't know, guys. I mean, the market's still looking bullish. I mean, there's a whole bunch of bullish indications still on the triple Indy. So I'd rather long 2 1/4 than time the short. I feel like the short may never come. Oh, you did? Thanks. Thanks, Joey. We're at the value area high at 250. So we got to, yeah, we got to get above 250, right, to continue this bullish move. Is this what you've been trading off of? This is nice. You also caught support there on the point of control at 220. Good for you, man. Market's been respecting your levels pretty nicely. Let me show everybody what Joey's doing here. Take a look at Joey's chart, guys. Joey's using a volume profile here, and he's got a value area low somewhere around 180s, and then he's got a value area high here. Actually, no, his value area high is up here, and your value area low is here. What is 250 then? Your point of control is 220. Then what is this purple line? Is this your value area high? Is the purple line your value area high, and the green line is your value area low? Oh, this is over OV, value area high? I don't know what OV is. But your value area high here is at 250. Value area low is at 182. So as long as we stay below 250, we're bearish looking. If we can get above 250, make support on it, it would validate a move higher. I like it, Joey. I like it, man. I like it, bro. OV? Oh, is overnight? Okay. I didn't know the first two letters of over. Okay. Got it. Got it. Previous day and overnight levels. Got it. Got it. Okay. We're moving back down here. It looks like we could head down to 225 again. Is that the case? Looks possible. I'll try it down to 225. And we're at VWAP. I'll take it. You're back to break even on it. All right, let's see if we get a bounce or end up getting a bounce here at 225. Luna, knock it off. Last thing I need is a barking dog up in here. That's the last thing I need, Luna. Yeah, woof yourself, Luna. Don't get all woofy on me now, Luna. I can go long now. You took your TP? That's funny. Nice, Vortex. Thanks for the heads up, Vortex. Appreciate you, brother. Getting close to those 225s. Let's see if we end up getting a bounce from it. That would be great. Paul says Google's Waymo is paying 127% tariffs in China on Chinese Zeekr vans because even doubled. They're still cheaper than the old Jaguar fleet. Wow, really? That's crazy. Already in San Francisco, LA, Phoenix, thousands more expected by year's end. Yeah, there's a lot in there's a lot of Waymos in Austin, Texas too. All right, let's see if they get a bounce from this level here. I was looking for a bounce here earlier. Let's see if it exists. If a bounce will happen here. gonna try a 10-point bounce. See if we can get up to 233. Does not look like it wants to help me out here. Best way to scalp during range days is Bollinger Bands. Thank you for that. I'm just using support and resistance levels here. See if we can get a bounce. No, does not want to give me a bounce. Just wants to take my TP, my stop loss. Yeah, looks like no real support here. They are looking for that overnight low now, since we didn't go to overnight high. Yeah, not looking like it's going to help me here. We're going to dump down. Yeah, buyers are not interested in 2.25. My mistake. I thought they were going to be. Nope, not at all. They are not interested. Not interested at all. Shoot down to 180 next. Yeah, 170, 180. Crazy. The market keeps flipping from bullish to bearish, bullish to bearish, bullish to bearish. Guess we are going straight back down. Go get that overnight low now. You gonna try 190? $200 got a low bounce. All right, now she's ripping, huh? Okay. All right, 209 is my support here. Let's see if we can get a pullback to 209-ish. try short here. See if we can go back down to 203. Saw some weakness here on the 15 second. Let's see if we can get that to follow through. Or do we go straight to the moon now? Looks like we go straight to the moon now. No more pullbacks. Well, a little more. Oh man, this is gonna be the story of my life today. It's been like pulling teeth today with this price action. It's like they know where my TP is. And they just pull it back right before it. All right, well, that was an exception. All right, let me work on this giveaway. Oops, sorry. What are you guys thinking here? We continue to move down and get that overnight low now? That overnight low that we never got earlier? That's what it seems like it wants to do now. Let's see. I think that's what it's going to end up doing here. Memberships. All right, we're breaking back above this level here, support. If we can hold it and continue to go higher, that would be good. We're going to chop 200. Looks like we're chopping 209. Losing the level. All right, we're breaking back above support. Could want to go higher. All right, guys, we're just about ready to do our giveaway for the channel members and the Smooth Trader Concepts subscribers. Right now, we're kind of just chopping, so might as well move over to do our giveaway. If you guys are not channel members, it's only $5 a month, and you do get a lot of perks. You do get the live trading community in the Discord included, and you're also going to be entered into weekly giveaways for evaluation accounts. Go ahead and do that now. All right, guys, good luck here. Let's go ahead and do our giveaway for... Oops, am I on the wrong one? Are we disconnected? Are we live right now? Okay, well, I don't know what just happened there. Yeah, today was not a great day for trading, but let's do a giveaway. That'll help things out. Let's do a giveaway. Always a good day to do a giveaway. Okay, and click the wheel to spin. All right, good luck, everyone. Here's all our channel members and subscribers here. Dave Massey. Congratulations, Dave. Dave's one of our OGs, man. Hit me up on Discord, Dave. Send me a message or open up a ticket and I'll get you a 50K Eval account. Good luck, man. Good job. I mean, all right, Guys, if you guys were not entered in that one, no worries. Just get our likes up to 100 and we can do another, man. Let's get 100 likes going here. I'll stick around for a little bit longer, but not that much longer, because I do have other things I have to work on. Yeah, I would like to get this account up here to about 1,500 today. Let's see if we can do that. I'm gonna take a long here. Let's see if we can get a long going. I like it, the longs, but they might just do me dirty here. They might just do me dirty. Let's see if we can do the longs. I like the longs, but they don't like me. Look at that. I should just invert every trade I take. Can I just invert every trade? I'm just gonna do that. Every trade I want to take, I'm just gonna inverse it. The indicator right now doesn't have anything. It doesn't like this price action. There are no signals right now. Let me go do a little bit of a deeper dive than that, because that is not 100% accurate. What I will show you guys right now is that we are holding this level here as a possible. This level here was an invalidation zone, but we're holding it. We're holding it. So if we hold this, there's a really good chance that we're going to push all the way back up to this 345. So as long as we can hold it, as long as we can hold this level here, where this invalidation zone is, as long as we can hold it, maybe put in another MOAS signal up here somewhere, that's a really good chance that we're going to go and hit that target still. But right now, this chop is just something for the ages, man. It's a chop for the ages here. Yeah, this is just crazy. I did like a long here. It is holding slightly. Damn, it's like the minute I go in one direction, the market goes in the other. It's crazy today. Maybe I've been entering into too much chop. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna sell off here into my stop loss. Too much chop. Just can't handle all this chop, man. We had a good looking candle there for a minute, but man, they just want my stop. They just want the stops. So it's not really bullish or bearish yet on the indications, but we do have red diamonds, no green diamonds here yet, which is not the best. But the diamonds sometimes come a little bit later, after the move has already started. Triple Indy right now is a little mixed because we do have the 15-minute green. The 8-minute is very choppy. It's somewhere in between, but it's slightly red. The 1 minute is red also, and we're gonna go down here. Yeah, there's no upside. This just sucks. This price action just keeps getting me. Win one, lose one. Win one, lose one. This is just really bad. Yeah, it looked like we were gonna do something here for a minute right here in this little pocket. Looked like we were gonna do something, but nope. Nope, nope, nope. More sell-off. Barcode activated. That's the way it looks. I think I'm just going to enter into shorts. I'm going to take longs. And into longs, I'm going to take shorts. Like here, this right here, I'm going to long this. The 15-second is telling a little bit of a different story. The 15-second is telling us that market may want to head down to 181. And it is looking like it's going that way. Maybe on a day like this, we just Look at the 15-second. Insane right now. 183 MF, come on. Yeah. We'll see, man. This is crazy. They keep sweeping levels multiple times. This makes it very hard to trade because after you've seen 2 or 3 sweeps, you think that's enough, and they come back for another one. Holy chopsicles, man. Brianna, thank you for following us over on Kick. I appreciate you. Appreciate you being here. All right, let's see if we can get a move back up above 210. Or is it going to stay below 210? We'll find out here in just a moment. By the way, I think we lost that other account. Yeah, that other account's gone. Toast. So we blew an eval today, guys. We blew an eval, but this one has a lot of potential. Looks like it wants to hold. What's our MV cloud saying? Pretty heavy. MV cloud's pretty heavy. Which would really signal shorting. Let's go with the short here down to 192. And this is when she rips. This is when she rips, guys. This is when she'll go up to like 250. So get your longs ready. Get your longs ready, guys. Diddy band connect zone 183. Is that what we got? 183 Diddy bands. Yeah, we do have a 180 level there. It looks really good. I'm telling you guys, every time I go short, this thing pops. And every time I go long, the thing dumps. Yeah, here we go. Major pumpage coming. Major pumpage. I'm literally about to start fading every idea I have today, because this market is so whacked out of his mind. Look at this, crazy. Crazy, crazy. I can't make this up. I swear to you, I can't make this up. Cannot make this up. And now we rip. Now we rip. All right, let's go. If you're gonna go, just go. Yo, you cannot make this up. I swear to you. I swear to you, you cannot make this up. You cannot make this up. Question is, are they going to hold that 200 level? And that's 1 second looks like they will, and next second looks like they won't. Crazy. Yeah, this market is whacked out, Louis. Market is whacked out. There's no clean move. No clean move here. Just waiting to get stopped out here again. What the hell was that? Did something just happen there? I didn't even get stopped out. It just took me out the trade. What just happened there? Oh, man. That was on. Did it just disappear? Was my stop loss there? Let me just see if we rewind this real quick. What just happened there? Oh yeah, no, I got stopped out there. I am the liquidity. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Yeah, that's what happened. I just saw it. I saw it. Just can't win, man. Just cannot win. Every trade's getting yeah, I think I'm gonna call it here, guys. It's not a clean market for me. Everything I'm seeing gets inverted, a bounce gets inverted, rejection gets inverted. Just everything getting inverted. So today's just a good day to do the opposite of what you think, and that's not a good day. That's not a good day to trade, especially when it does something like this. This is just not clean. So, I mean, thank God I'm not trading the fundeds today. Just trying to build up some Eval war chests, but man, they're making it hard. They're not making it easy. Tomorrow will be better, you promise? Promise me, Joey? Man, this is just wild. No promises. Thanks, man. This is my last trade here with you guys, and I'm going to call it. They might be trying to Finally bring things higher. So I went long, so guys, go short. Did see a little base getting formed here on the 15-second that looked promising. And since the market is not doing what I think it's going to do, might as well take a trade that looks like it has a chance to do the opposite of what I initially thought. This is getting annoying. We got under a 10 ATR. That's usually a signal for me to stop trading. Look at this. Careful 180. Yep. I know. 180 is also there. It's on my chart too. And I would like to go for 180, but since I would want to go for 180, maybe the market will do the opposite. Might go to 205. See if we get a bounce to 205. I'll move to break even. Clean up 205. Crazy market today. There we go. Maybe we get 205 on this. Can we get 205 on the first? We got 205. Hesitation. A little bit. Let's get that 205 hit. Come on in, Q. Push the 205, girl. Damn, I tell you, man. This market's tough. It is tough. Ryan, this is a tough market. It sure is. Sure is. Look at this. Can't even get touch at 205. Couldn't even get a touch at 205. Man, that Chinese dog is really out to get me today. Yeah, it sucks. Man, I'm getting spanked. This is terrible. All right, guys, I'm calling it there. I'll see you guys all tomorrow. This market is really treating me like a redheaded stepchild, and it's not good. I say a quick prayer and let you guys go. Father God, we thank you for this day, Lord. We thank you for all the abundance and the blessings you've given us in our life. Father, we thank you for every person in this community. We thank you for the ability, Father, to have this community, Lord. I know some of us here may be going through a hard time, Lord. Some more than others, Lord, with everything under the sun, Lord, with finances, with our families, with our relationships, with our health. There's so many things, Father, that we desperately need only that you can deliver, Father, and we know that we have all our trust in you. Father, I pray that anyone here who has not come close to you, Father, built a relationship with you, Father, that they do that first before anything else, Lord. And I pray, Father, you keep us safe until we meet again tomorrow. In Jesus' name we pray, amen. All right, guys, take care. I'll see you all tomorrow. One eval down, another one massively red, and we'll try again tomorrow. If you guys haven't done so yet, make sure to check out the prop firm matrix that we just updated. Let's go ahead and check that out real quick. It looks really good. Where's the prop firm matrix? Check out the prop firm matrix, guys. This is really cool. Look at this. We've got Apex, Trade Day, Tradeify, Lucid, Legends, and a couple of new additions here that we've added to the mix. Let me show you guys what I mean. Sorry, I have to move that. Move that over. We've got Funded Next and Funded Seed. Every code you can copy here, guys, but keep in mind one of the codes, Funded Next, is STC. That is because they are not allowed to use more than 10 characters, and Smooth Trader apparently has 12. Sorry. So yeah, we've got some really great, really good deals going on here. So what I want you guys to know is one thing we fixed with the prop firm matrix. One thing I want you guys to pay attention to that's really, really cool. If you pick any 50K, let's just say any 50K. Let's just go with the 50K. 50K flex. Legends will pick a 50K apprentice. Let's go with Lucid. We'll pick a 50K flex. Tradeify will pick a 50K flex with slide. Let me see if I can put the slide over bar on the other place. All right, yeah, I'm gonna have to move that slide over bar. And trade day, we'll do a 50K quick pay. Yeah, we'll go with a quick pay, and we'll go with the end of day, 50-day quick pay, end of day. And Apex will do a 50K end of day. What this will do now is it'll show you who has actually the best total price, total cost across the board. All you got to do is just, let me slide. I guess I'm about to slide over again. Let's see who has the best deal. Right now, it looks like Funded Seat has a $60 50K sprint account. I don't know what a sprint account is compared to a 50K rapid, but it's pretty cheap. And if that is not what you're looking for, then Funded Next has a $70 50K flex. Pretty cheap accounts, if you ask me. I'm not sure what this is. 50K, let's go with 50K Legacy. That's $93. I got to do some research on what each one of these accounts offers. But yeah, a lot of different options on the prop firm matrix now. And obviously it also gives you other stats that some people are looking for. And then obviously the coupon codes and the account and links to the websites are all here. Those are really good. Also, check out the prop firm. Check out the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator, the free version, the supporting indicator with the VMV wave, with the all the major levels, support key levels that you need, and the ATR. All this is free. All you gotta do is just go over to our website, and it's all pinned in the chat too, by the way. Go to our website, and actually it's not pinned in the chat today. That is crazy. I didn't pin it today. Sorry about that. Let me pin it right now for everybody who's watching. I did not pin it today, but it's all over our description. All you gotta do is go down to go to our website, Smooth-Trader. Go down to the section that says Volume Toolkit. Get it for free, and it'll take you right over there where you can get it for free while you're there. Also sign up for 7 days for $7. You can check out the indicator and see how well it does. Obviously, I was not using the indicator today. I was using support and resistance levels because I'm trying to scalp. I'm just trying to scalp my way into a couple funded accounts. So the fundeds I will trade using nothing but MOAS signals. We had a nice MOAS signal here at 1045, went right up there, took a TP beautifully. And as you guys know, we had one here to the downside that took a TP beautifully. So they're working out really nicely, guys. The only thing is that we don't have something guiding us right now. So unfortunately, I am just using support and resistance levels, and that didn't work out too well for me. Had a trap long level there. That is working out pretty nicely. And overnight, we had a really great win rate on the MOAS signals. They were just printing. But yeah, check them out if you haven't checked them out yet, guys. Link is now pinned in the chat, also down below in the description of the video. All right, thanks, guys, and I will see you all tomorrow.
This indicator called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 trades. Almost 6 trades perfectly today. Most traders are stuck guessing entries using lagging indicators that tell you what already happened. By the time